Hey my angels, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going for dinner with my family, so you guys are gonna come along. Of course I did my makeup, wearing heels. I'll show you the outfit later if I get the chance to. I feel like I'm in my feminine era. So yeah guys, let's go for dinner. If you're new to the channel, I will please stay by hitting the subscribe button that is below this video. So yeah.
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. Oh, I'll lay something down for you. I'll clear a whole town for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you.
Hi guys, we're arrived. We just ordered what we want. So makeup is eating class.
So when you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah, you my twin.
I feel like I'm much feminine here. I don't know if I see this. Like I'm liking makeup and nails out. Who is this?
I'm tired for me. Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me. I do a crime at a time when it was loose for me.
And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me on, umbrella up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I would tell you same. Now when we come through inside this make way, twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe tag somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasures, little twin. You my twin. You my treasures, little twin. You my twin. When I need a you can't even sit in peace. 'Cause all of these niggas be on you. From the thing I can be. Yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. Lost in my world. Waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see you gonna lose your way. Waste your time. You could have others, more than you need.
Hey my angels, welcome back to another day of the vlog. So we had like 2 lectures today. I had one from 8 to 10, and the other one was from 10 to 12, I think. Yeah, my car wasn't starting. It was an issue with the doors, because you know how like when you leave your doors open, like it drains the battery of the car. So I had to run to get that fixed, and right now it's currently something like 8:30, so I'm already late. I'm gonna try go, but like at this time traffic is so bad because everyone is going to work, to school. I'm gonna try see if I make it, because sometimes it's just embarrassing getting into the lecture like so late, and I feel like it's gonna take me something like, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes to get to school. I'm actually, which road do I even take? I need to figure that out. And yeah, I don't know guys, it's just like, it just ruined my mood. Oh, by the way, the 8 one, the one at 10, it got cancelled, but they gave us another one for 2, like a completely different module. So we have to attend the module, the 2 lesson And yeah, so I'm gonna see if I try to get to school in time, because the road, like, school is near home, so like if I see that like the time is no longer good, I'm just gonna go home, and then I'll come back at around 2 for the afternoon lecture. So yeah guys, that's the whole update for now. I think I'm gonna wait a bit because the traffic is so bad, but like I don't have time to wait. That's the chat. I need to take these braids out. They're so bad. Like, it's time for these braids to go. Like, no girl, like okay, not too bad, but like I just want them out, you know? I just want them out. And my friend is having like a dinner on Sunday. I think that's gonna be a completely like different vlog from this one. So I need to check these days out and see if I'm just gonna like get my hair done again, or if I'm gonna like, you know, just tie my hair, buy a retouching chemical and try like do my hair in a better way, you know, because I have lectures all the time. If I'll even get the time to sit down for like 4 hours letting someone do my hair. So we'll figure it out. But anyways guys, that's the whole update for now. I don't think I have any more to say, so let's get going. I'll see you guys, I'll update you guys on what happens when we get to school or at around 2. So yeah,
it's just not our season, the one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
hi guys, it is later the same day. We're going to the afternoon lecture I told you about earlier. So yeah, I am a bit late, honestly. I feel a bit I feel a bit under pressure, but it's not so bad because the lecturer comes a bit late anyway. So hopefully it's going to be the same today. Hi guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Oh my god, I put too much perfume on my neck. It looks like sweat. It's not sweat guys, I just showered. Please. So we're about to go to school. I have a presentation that I have to do with the rest of my group members, so we're going there today. I didn't intend like on going because today we actually didn't have anything else. We were told in the morning that we have to present. So yeah guys, I don't feel my best today. But it's all right. Yeah guys, so we're just gonna go to school. I think right now it's something like 20 minutes to 11. The lecturer said that the presentations are gonna start at 11. So yeah, if you are a regular subscriber, you know it takes me like something like 5 minutes to get to campus. So yeah guys, we're just gonna go and drive, and yeah, this is just like an update of what's going on today. I don't really have much to tell you guys, honestly, but yeah, today is the 1st of April. Happy new month. Yeah guys, I am so excited to see what this month holds. Nothing but blessings, opening of doors, opportunities, and yeah guys, that's it from me. So we have to go. I put on my headband today. I don't like how I look. I feel like I look really old. Like, I don't know. Like, it comes to headbands, I'm very skeptical about it. Like, I actually don't feel confident, but like my braids are so bad, I don't even have time to take them out. But I'll probably do it around Easter, because I'm sure we don't have like lectures around Easter, during Easter. So yeah, my lips look so dry. So yeah, dolls, I will see you guys when we get to campus. So yeah, oh my goodness, the weather, it's so cold today, guys. Like, why isn't this glass coming out? It's so cold today. I have a bodysuit on. I don't even know why I don't even have like a jacket on. But you'll see, I don't feel like it's that cold, but it is cold. I think for now I can just put on like my heater just to warm up my body, and I'm sure like when we get into the room, lecture room or whatever, I'll be a bit, you know, warm. It won't be so bad. Let's get going before we actually like get really late. So yeah.
Got a lot of bass, got a lot of IP on me.
We have 3 exams in session.
Got a lot of bass, got a lot of IP on me. I gotta finish myself off. I gotta finish. It's been a lot of years, really think it can walk past me. I gotta finish myself off. I gotta finish myself off. I gotta pull it down. Oh, you and me. Never met a girl with a mind like this. No, no. You wasted time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this. No, 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 no. With a waste of wine like this, my love. Only a real one can tame me. Only the radio could play me. Now you wish I was complacent. You must have mixed up my face. Now you wanna have a conversation. So you need to see my patience.
Hi guys, so we're done with the lecture, like presentations. It went well and all that. So right now we're going home because we're done for the day. Yeah, I actually wanted to get like a chocolate milkshake, but I feel like I'm doing too much because I have like chocolate milk at home, and I was actually drinking some chocolate milk right now. It's actually still in, so I think I can just get home. And yeah, and I wanted to study, but like I have to make a PowerPoint presentation for my group. We didn't know like we needed a PowerPoint presentation. It's actually not going to be hard because I have the Word document. We had a Word document, so I'm just gonna like try shorten everything and take what's necessary and leave what's not. So yeah guys, I think this is all from me today. I will see you guys in the next time I see you guys on this vlog. Yeah, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's all for today.
Can't focus on